your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible, 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 impossible.
Okay, so I'll be doing a hair tutorial on his head today. As you can see, his hair is matted. You can barely even see his scalp. You see, everything is all tangled and matted. So we're gonna fix this up. And by the way, I didn't use anything at all on his head. He just washed it and I just twisted it. Normally I will use things, but I didn't use anything this time. So yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna start doing his hair because this shit is crazy. So I've parted it, sectioned it, and I'm about to get ready to begin with his hair. You can see he got a nice little length there. Yeah, real nice. So I've already did some of them, just showing you guys the process and how matted that his hair still is and what it looks like, the ones that I did. I finished that whole back row. You can finally see some scalp. Yes, what the fuck. Okay, it looks real good though. Alrighty, I don't finish the sides, and I'm literally not using no products on his head. I'm just twisting it with my fingers, and that's it. Nothing hard, nothing major. Okay, as you can see, we finally finished. And he was telling me how he wanted it braided. But we did it, we finished. And it looks really, really nice. You can finally run your fingers through it and everything. I like it.
Put your fingers
really
through it, boy.
So now I'll be braiding it and styling it for him. As you can see, I already did 2 braids and I had 2 more to do. Okay, and the finished look, he need an edge, y'all, so don't mind that. He need an edge big time, baby. But it came together real nice, and he can finally see his fucking scalp because that shit was ridiculous, but it looks real good. Once again, I didn't use no products on his head. I just twisted it, and that was it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.